Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. There are two ways to split text into multiple columns in Microsoft Word. Here I want to split these two paragraphs into two columns. The first way is make a space where you want to include these two paragraphs in two columns. Now click on Insert tab on upper left corner, then go to Tables and click two column in a table, and now select the first paragraph and right click and click on Cut and paste here, and I'm going to cut the second paragraph and paste here, and now the backspace, again here backspace, right click on the table and click on table properties, click on borders and shading and select none here, and then click on OK again. This is a way to split text into two paragraphs. Now I am going to show you the second method. Select the text and here tell me what you want to do. Click here, type columns. You will find here add or remove columns, and now one is selected. Just click on two and look, the selected text are organized in two columns here. This is the easiest way to split text into two columns in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.